Hello everyone and welcome back. Do you want to turn shaky videos like this one to a more steady footage? In this video, I will show you how to rescue that footage using Warp Stabilizer in Premiere Pro. I shot this 4K clip with my mobile phone and I forgot to turn on the stabilizer. To fix this issue, I utilized a special effect in Premiere Pro to turn it into a smooth professional footage. First, import your shaky footage in Premiere Pro. Go to the Effects panel and search for Warp Stabilizer. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Premiere Pro will immediately start analyzing the clip. Now, let's take a look at the Warp Stabilizer controls. The most important setting is the result. By default, it's set to smooth motion, which is what we want for this shaky footage. No motion is used when you want to lock the frame completely, which is not what we are looking for. The method setting determines how Premiere Pro stabilizes the footage. Subspace warp is the most advanced and usually gives the best results, but it takes longer to render. Position, scale, rotation and position only are faster but might not be as effective for severe shakes. For this clip, we'll stick with subspace warp. The smoothness setting controls how much stabilization is applied. Higher values result in smoother footage, but can also introduce more distortion. We'll start with the value of around 50 and adjust from there. Let Premiere Pro analyze the clip. This can take some time. Once it's done, play back the stabilized clip. Can you see the difference? It's much smoother now. However, you might notice some slight warping or distortion around the edges. This is a common side effect of the Warp Stabilizer. To minimize this distortion, you can try adjusting the smoothness setting. You can also play with the Crop Less Smooth More setting, which crops the edges of the frame to hide the distortion. After some fine-tuning, we have a smooth, stable clip. But remember, Warp Stabilizer is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. It cannot completely eliminate severe shakes, but it can significantly improve your footage. So there you have it, how to rescue shaky phone footage using Warp Stabilizer in Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.